All right, so this is going to be part one of how to create and set up a Google site. The first step, you're going to want to make sure that you are logged into your work account for Google. The second thing is you're going to want to go to the Google Apps next to your picture in the right-hand corner and find the Sites button. Once you click it, you should come to a page that looks like this. You're going to go to the left-hand side and find where it says New Google Sites. Go ahead and click it. Once you've done that, you have a couple options. You can either start with a blank page and create it from scratch, or use one of the templates provided. All of these are editable and you can delete and add to them as you please. I'm going to go ahead and start with a blank one and walk you through each step. So I'm going to go ahead and add a title so it's easier for me to find later. I'm just going to go ahead and call this tutorial. Once I hit enter, you'll notice that it pops up in this top left-hand corner of my site. The next thing I'm going to do is label my home page. And because I like a little more color, I'm going to go ahead and change the image for the background as well. Here you can either upload something from your computer or select one of the images provided. I'm not going to change this layout, but something else you can do is if you click where it says header type, you can change it to just a cover page, make the banner larger. We have it as a regular banner, or you can set it to just the title. This will remove any picture you have placed. The next thing I'm going to do is go over to the right-hand side. You'll notice that there's 3 buttons towards the top. One says Insert, Pages, and Themes. We're going to go ahead and click on Themes. Now you can choose from any of the themes here, and whichever one you choose, you can edit the color, make it your own, change the font style, and make it however you want it to look. My favorite one is Impression, so that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go ahead and choose yellow, and I don't think I want to change the font. So we have our home page set up. Now let's go ahead and add the rest of our pages. We're going to go to the Pages tab, and if you go to the bottom, we're going to hit the plus sign. I'm going to make one page called the Parent Portal and hit Done. I'm going to hit the plus sign again and create a page called the Student Portal and hit Done. Now notice how at the top of our web page now there are some buttons, our home page and then the 2 portal pages we just made. I do not want parents and students to have access to these. So I'm going to go back over to the right-hand side, find my pages, click the 3 little dots, and I'm going to hide from navigation. I'm going to do this for both of them. Now you can see that those buttons at the top disappeared. So students and parents can no longer access these pages. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to make those pages accessible by adding buttons and links to our homepage.